flashing lights around me. All I feel is raindrops falling, falling down on me, falling down on me.
I went to through 3 profiles, then I came across your profile, and your profile was pretty simple and nice. So I gone through your profile. You seems very cute. So your name was Laveta. I went to your profile and then I gave you a first invite to start a conversation with me.
लविता पहला आए थी हम लोग का घर में, हम लोग देख के बहुत खुशी हो गया, उसको देख के हम लोग अच्छा लगा और उनका दोनों का जोड़ी बहुत फर्स्ट क्लास है। और फिर हम लोग को खुशी है और उसका घर में जाया, उसका फैमिली भी बहुत अच्छा है, सब ठीक है, दोनों की जोड़ी अच्छी है।
So hi, I'm Wilson. I'm Alex's younger brother. So when I got to know about him that he is getting married, so my first expression was, why he's getting married? I don't know why. He don't need to get married because I think so. Me and him having a very good relationship because he is the only man in the house, which I am very comfortable with him. So he is always there with me. So we sleep beside, we shares everything. So he was like my best friend to me. So now he is getting married and he will get one wife and he will be busy in his own world. So that kind of little bit hurts me, but I am very happy for him that he is going to start a very new life.
we have seen many phases in our life together, and seeing you today this way, I'm very proud of you, and I hope that your married life is being blessed with loads of happiness, success and prosperity. And yes, Ivana is really going to miss you, and welcome to the club, because now you'll have to settle between your Sundays between your family and between Sarah's family, so better you manage it very well. You need to have a work-life balance as well, so both of you enjoy and live to the fullest. Congratulations.
Congrats again.
Alex, know that my sister can cry crocodile tears and she's really going to torture you. So whenever she cries, don't give her whatever she's asking for. You can call me first. And Lavita, just because he's so Sida Sada, please don't go around troubling him. He's a really, really cute guy and he cares for you a lot.
We love her very much, me and her father. We love her very much and we are going to miss her. She'll be always our little girl, little darling girl, because she's the youngest, with the two daughters, she's the youngest one. We always love her and we are always in the house. We are going to see her everywhere in the house, and I'm sure for 1 month I'm going to be calling her name all the time. If I want something, Lavita, go do this, Lavita, do this, Lavita, get up.